minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficial. Assalamu alaikum and good evening. This is me, Seda Banin Fatma, your favorite vlogger. By the blessing of God, me and my family is the pink of health, and I hope you and your families are also in the pink of health. With me, my brother.
Hello, assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are here in Shigar fort, and we are want to visit the basic places of this fort, and the houses, the old things and old places, the all things in this video. Watch till end. So let's go guys with us inside the fort, and I will show you the beautiful places and things.
Let's go.
This is the walnut tree, isn't it? Yes, it's walnut tree. No, it's not walnut tree.
Is it?
No, it's not walnut tree. I think it's I don't know which type of plant it is.
It is so much old looking.
Yes, and also very big. Can you go inside there? Let's go. Let's go. So guys, the kings they live here in the fort, and this was the garden. The water, I think they're inside fish, because the kings like fish. That's why they have fish also, I think. But it is the garden, very beautiful place.
Yes, if you don't know about Shigar, then I will tell you. Shigar Valley is a land of Ketu. This fort was built in 1634 by Raja Hassan Khan Amacha 4.5 years ago. This fort was restored in 1999 by Aga Khan Cultural Service. The restoration process was completed over a period of 9 years and cost $1.4 million US. Serena Hotel has 20 rooms. First it was fort, and now it is managed by Serena Hotel. It is an attraction for tourists and local. The windows and doors are made of walnut trees, and there are historical things in museum. The letters are written in Basti script and documents also, and I think there's Tao old things.
Yes,
and
inside the wall house.
yes, large boxes.
There is just fine.
Yes, they are very historical. Now this historical place is managed by Serena Hotel. So
Look guys, a big rocks. I don't know how they fit the rocks here.
And
Now
like
it is
this.
impossible to fit here, but all time the men fit it. I don't know
Yes.
how it is possible.
it is so much old.
and there was no technology in all time.
Yes, there was no technology, but they made with their hand. So we will go inside.
And
I
show
think it
the
will be
places.
very exciting. I'm so much excited for that. So let's go inside. These are the tourists come from America, Japan, and Korea.
And
so I will
Karachi.
give a message to you that come here and enjoy the beauty of nature.
Yes, look,
and this
how
fort.
many tourists are here? Childs, childs, and girls, boys, families. They're enjoying here.
Yes, local people and tourists. So let's go inside the museum.
Assalamualaikum, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you too.
What is your good name?
My full name is Syed Ibrahim Shafkat.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Karachi, Pakistan.
Okay, did you like this place?
I love it. The views were absolutely breathtaking. It was amazing. The mountains, they were just so beautiful.
Okay, you said that it's your first day in Skaidu. How many days you want to spend?
I want to spend a whole week here.
A whole week here?
Yes,
Okay, nice to meet you.
you too.
Okay.
So guys, we have taken lots of interview to the tourists. Now it is time to go inside the museum. Let's go.
The main part of this video. Look at guys, the door, walnut door. It is very old. Oh my god.
Okay.
Go inside.
Woo!
Oh my god, come here.
There's no lights. Some lights.
It seems like a horror movie.
Yes, it is so much old and made of walnut wood. Wheat and tomatoes were stored on the large boxes, and also the vessels, and this is so much old.
We will
and
ask the men
historical
the
about
things.
this. And they store dry fruit inside the boxes. They store dry fruit and wheat inside these large boxes.
This is the queen chest. This is the queen
Yes.
chest. Oh, it's so
And I
much
think
old.
it's
The king.
What did you know what is used for? This is used for to make this carpet. And this is what is this?
Polo
I
stick.
think it is used for
Polo
to
stick.
play polo. You know that Polo is the most famous game in Gilgit-Baltistan. So let's go inside. I will tell you more
Other
about
things.
Okay guys, this is the jewelries of Raja Sahibas.
Necklaces.
Yes, and the store in their condition, beautiful
Yes,
condition.
old condition and
Original
it is
condition.
very bad condition.
Original
but it is
condition.
very old. But I like it very much.
Yes. Look at guys, that is a tool to make bread.
Yeah. Oh, don't touch it. Look at that. There was, I think, cups and glasses of all.
Okay guys, these letters are written in Balti script and it is very historical and documents are also kept in this museum.
Yes. So
What is
beautiful.
written in here?
Lord.
So much old, guys,
Kingman's
so
letter,
much.
Letter on Lord by Raja Muhammad Ali Shah. The wood of the window is walnut, and look at it, how small it is. I can see over it, but it is very small. And I think the window not come downside, it have to there upside, but it is down.
Okay guys, the people of Shigar is very loyal and honest and so much.
Yeah, they support us on YouTube, Facebook all the time. Thank you they all, and I hope you will now also like and share my video. So thank you to Shigaris.
Peoples that they have liked our videos and share.
So guys, this is the old mouse and the all wood make of walnut. I don't know why they make all wood of walnut. I think because it is so strong, that's why they make it. And very strong wood and old mouse. Very beautiful.
Guys, this is the old royal kitchen of the kings.
Yes, all our things are here. I will show you. Look at the big cup. I think we do not have to touch these because we have not allowed. And there is one hookah and
much
a small stone. And look here, a tub. I think small tub to wash utensils.
Yes. So much old. And this is a box that they store the
And here's a pot.
inside this.
Very hard to open it. So guys, I was sitting on a comfortable chair, it's very comfortable. You can see the beautiful places, greenness everywhere, and thank you to all to share and subscribe and like my videos. I hope you will like and all Shigaris, all of my followers, all of my subscribers. Thank you to you all to support me. I hope you support in this
us
video
again.
also. It may be the end of our video, but
That is the beauty of it.
yeah.
So, we have finished. Drawing many difficulties. How we are going to see the what?
Places, and we are lost here, but finally we can get the stairs, and finally we are going down.
It is very difficult.
Bye bye.
Oh my god. It is so much old. So let's go. We will going to the old most. So let's go.
Let's go. Old thing shop.
Yeah, so much old.
Glasses. Assalamualaikum. Good evening.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am fine. Good.
What's your good name?
My name is Wasim.
Okay. Could you tell me the price of that thing?
Which kind of?
Yes, this thing. What's the price of it?
3,000 rupees.
3,000 rupees.
Yes.
Why
It's
it
pure,
is so expensive?
This because handmade.
Okay, handmade.
Yes.
Okay, so beautiful. Okay, what's that thing?
This kind of wallet
Wood?
balls.
It's made of wood.
This wooden, yes.
Okay, wooden. That's all are wooden.
This 7-piece 4,000 rupees.
Oh, 7 piece, 4,000 rupees.
Yes.
I think it is very strong and hard.
Yes.
What's the price of these rings?
This different kind of. This artificial.
Artificial.
Like, yes. And this kind of real stones and silver also.
You have heads? Like,
Yes, like this.
yeah.
Yes, this all kind of local
What's the
culture.
price of that head?
There's different prices. This white one is 2,000 and this kind of 1,500. The different
guys.
price and this kind of also another stuff.
Okay. Oh guys, if you come in Shigar Fort, so please visit here. The price is not very expensive. It's reasonable. Buy things from
Yes.
here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I'm good.
How's
How are you?
life? I'm also
That
in
is
the
going
pink of
good.
health. Where are you from?
I'm from Karachi, Pakistan.
Okay, what's your good name?
My name is Yusra Ansari.
How many siblings you have?
I have 2 siblings.
Okay, what did you think about Shigar?
I think it's a really beautiful place. I really enjoyed staying here. The views were simply breathtaking. I really enjoyed it.
Okay, what you will give your message to the tourists?
I think a message to the tourists would be that instead of focusing on photographing everything, they should try to live in the moment because it truly is a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Okay, are you come with your family?
Yes, I've come with.
This is the end of our video. Like, share, subscribe. The security is our good and perfect, and we visit cultural things, seas, and the beautiful places here. And it's the end. I miss this place so much.
Yes, I to the security is here's a lot of security. I am crying. I'm not crying. There's something gone in my eye.
So guys,
Like and share, subscribe.
I
This
will
is the
show
end
you
of our
the
show.
old mouse also in next video.